Have you ever wondered what you can do to better the environment? Well, now you can with the usage of hydrogen power.
So this is practically how the hydrogen fuel cell works. So the hydrogen gas first splits into hydrogen ions and electrons. And then the electrons flow through the electric source and then go back to the fuel cell. After, the hydrogen ions near the anode go to the cathode and combine with the oxygen and electrons, which then forms water and exits.
Hydrogen fuel can be used to power many various devices such as your laptop, your cell phone, and other portable devices, and not to mention airplane, cars, and space shuttles.
Hi, I'm Professor Al, scientist and researcher from Stanford University. Scientists like myself and other inventors are currently working on prototypes to fully utilize hydrogen's capacity as seen in equipment and vehicles. There are currently a handful of cars and buses that are powered by hydrogen. Honda and Mercedes-Benz are looking into hydrogen-powered vehicles in the future. With further research and development, we'll be seeing a lot more buses, cars, and even airplanes powered by hydrogen. There are very few safety concerns when dealing with hydrogen. Although it must be compressed and liquefied during transportation and can be explosive, it is very unlikely this will ever occur if we handle it properly. The production of hydrogen fuel produces non-pollutants. The only byproducts of hydrogen fuel are tiny amounts of nitrogen oxide and water. There is no carbon footprint.
Although the infrastructure needed to produce hydrogen fuel is very expensive and a hydrogen powered car is around $100,000, it is ultimately cheaper and more efficient in the long run to power the vehicles. Toyota has followed Hyundai's lead with its own $499 a month lease that includes free fuel, which is about $6,000 a year. Hey, check out my new car.
But have you ever heard of the new hydrogen-powered car?
I have, but I heard that it's really costly to produce and that it is also not readily available yet, and there's also a bunch of safety concerns with it.
But hydrogen is the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. It's also really efficient, as in it not only doesn't have CO2 emission, but it also is a renewable resource. Here, let me show you. See, look at the beautiful environment you could be saving.